I took astronomy from Carl Sagan in 1977. The guy had a huge influence on me. Cosmos on PBS was Carl Sagan's lectures with fabulous graphics.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
PBS and I are a perfect match. It's just wonderful programming, not just for kids, but for all of us.
Carry on. Don't you people have school to work on?
Hi, everybody. I'm Blueberry, and this is my Clubhouse, and this is my Periscope. Come on with me on a super fun adventure.
That's right, Blueberry. The Innovation Hub is where imagination becomes reality.
The Innovation Hub has a lot of equipment and tools that allow us to make so many different things. People of all types come to the Hub, young and old, artisan entrepreneurs, and people who want to meet, make, and learn how to innovate. Best tool that we have, though,
is our team. Great idea. We'll need everyone to help make Max's secret musical ingredient. Let's huddle. Team, Max needs something special to take her talent show up an octave.
Do you mean Max wants to sing at a higher musical pitch?
Not exactly, Adam. Max needs something special, like a secret ingredient.
Maybe something that can make a fun sound. Like a set of drums.
Or like a glockenspiel?
Huh? What's a glockenspiel?
You've probably seen one. It's like a xylophone, but the bars are made of metal instead of wood, and that gives it a different sound.
That's a percussion instrument. I know how to play that.
If xylophone bars are made of wood and glockenspiel bars are made of metal, I wonder what other materials would sound like.
Kendall, there'd be a whole variety of different sounds. Different octaves, timbre, and resonance.
That sounds like a secret ingredient to me. Why don't we all make something special for the glockenspiel?
We have to hurry, though. Max needs it tonight. All right, team, let's go. Hey Chris, the team called. They solved the problem of Max's secret ingredient.
They found the special sauce?
Yep, each person made their own unique bar for their glockenspiel. This is gonna be the coolest instrument ever.
And I've already got a plan on how it's all gonna come together.
I made mine in the Hub ceramic studio and fired it in our kiln. I can't wait to hear how it sounds.
Adam McAvoy made one this morning using a 3D printer. It arrived by drone this morning.
I made my bar from scrap metal at the Hub's wood and metal shop.
I can't wait to hear how each bar sounds.
So, when Dr. Gordon strikes each bar, the bar vibrates. It moves, and it causes the air to vibrate around it. And it moves, and when it moves all the way to our eardrum, our brain recognizes that as a sound.
When you play sounds together or have one right after the other, you get rhythm and music.
Each material sounds different based on its properties, size, and how it's dampened. It's important to test different types of bars to figure out which sound makes the best music.
Wow, that's awesome. I think that's the secret ingredient that Max needs for her talent show.
Another great day of making imagination into reality, team. That's what the Innovation Hub is all about. Now we better hurry and get the glockenspiel to Blueberry as fast as we can.